Well, in this video, we're taking another look at the EnerG wood pellet patio heater. Now, I've had this for a little while now, used it a few times. I thought I'd give a little update and review of this wood pellet patio heater. I'll go through how to clean the old pellets out of it. We'll fill it up with pellets, we'll light it, and we'll talk about it. So at the front of the heater, got this door. Now what I do, I store the handle for the pellet cylinder here inside. You can see it's got these grooves on the one side, so it's a means of lifting up the pellet burner here. Now, I use this a few times. You can see I got some burnt pellets in there. On the bottom, it's got like a plate with some holes in it. Now below that is the tray to collect all the ash from the old pellets. So what I'm going to do, just go discard this in the garbage. And what I do when I tip this upside down, I just kind of give it a bang. I'll take the handle and just kind of bang the bottom here. And it just knocks the pellets out of those tiny holes in the bottom. So like I say, I bring this over. I tipped it upside to the garbage area. You see all those little holes. And then I just take my handle and I just kind of give it a tap like that, just to clean out all those holes. All right. So we'll put our ash pan back in. We'll fill this with some pellets. Okay, I just got wood pellets like you would use for a wood stove. They're much cheaper than the cooking pellets. So to light it, I always use a fire starter. But if I just rest it on top, fires don't like to just burn down like that. So I slope all my pellets kind of to the one side. Then I drop my fire starter down. Then I get my long barbecue lighter, like that. So what I do, I lift this up into the upper part. Then I set it down on that ash basket there. Just like that. And set it down. Take my handle off. I like to leave it in the cabinet. Then just close the cabinet. There, this is going to take a good 10-15 minutes to really get the pellets engaged with that flame. I'll bring you back once we got a good flame going, and we'll talk a little more. Okay, this is after about 10 minutes or so. We'll just take a peek down. You can see only about half my pellets are engaged in flame right now. You can see it's got a really nice ambiance look to it. I like that you can view the flame from all four sides. We usually set this up between all our chairs over there. It's a nice centerpiece to sit around. It's got these warning labels on the top that might be hot. But you can see there's not a lot of heat coming off of there right now. I could just hold my hand on there, no problem. It's a little warm, but it's not hot. You do get some nice heat. Like, I enjoy just sitting by it like this. Get some really nice heat coming off of there. A lot of times my wife and I will sit on each side of it, have a couple drinks at the table here and just relax. It's a good way to enjoy your outside, even if there's a little chill in the air. Now this too, we have like under the roof of our pavilion, no problem. Like you see, there's no smoke that comes off of this. It's not that hot. There's 4 wheels on the bottom, 2 of them are locking. You could roll this around, put it where you want. Probably wouldn't roll it around when it's lit, but you could if you had to. Now you can see in the beginning how this works. You fill that tube with your pellets, you light it, and you're good to go. Now, I find, at least for the pellets I'm using, this will last anywhere between 2 and 3 hours before it burns out. Now, kind of the downside to this pellet heater here, you can't refill the pellets once it's lit. You kind of got to let it burn out, clean it out like I showed you, fill it with pellets, relight it. But I find 2 to 3 hours, it's pretty good time just to sit out here. The amount of warmth off of here, just like I say, just cuts that chill in the air. And it is a very nice looking grill. Gives you that effect of having a nice little fire, much like those popular fire tables and things you see, but I like this. Anyway, I've done a few videos now where I just sit next to this, where I get that warmth coming off of there. Sometimes I'll put a blanket on the chair and then just sit by this, and it's quite comfortable. Well, I hope this gives you a little more information on the EnerG wood pellet patio heater if you're interested in something like this. I also have a video on the assembly of it and another video for the first time that I lit it. Now that I've used this a few times, I can share it with you, and hopefully this helps you if you're interested in something like this. I'm going to sit back and enjoy this warmth, go get myself a beverage. We'll see you on the next one.